Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on cue. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky.
Yo, what's going on, guys? You will not believe it, buddy. You will not believe it. This one, look at this. Look at this. 6,100 times that by 5. Boom, baby. We called it last night. We kept getting in. Bowser, it hasn't hit the full target yet, but I got out last night before I went to sleep, and it was a perfect time to get out. So yesterday, I was up at like 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:40, and I saw this quick, steep pump, and I got out like right when it broke above this wick here, and so I got out, and then immediately it fell back down. Thank goodness, dude. And then now it's pumping again. But yeah, the full target was up here. So I'm trying to wait and see if it's going to hit that. But I really shouldn't. But I'm waiting to see if it's going to hit this full target up here, which would be right there. But yes, sir. Yes, sir. So there it goes. I had to get in this a couple times, dude, because it kept coming back and stopped me at break even. It stopped me at break even like at the beginning. Then it stopped me here and then here. And then I re-got back in. And right when I re-got back in, it pumped. Bowser, I still have to get 4 days of $250. So I wouldn't say that yet. Wouldn't say that yet. But yeah. But yeah. Halftime's up 475 on his account. Let's go, dude. Let's go. I've got some take profit trader accounts. I'm trying to figure out if I want to activate them real fast. I'm trying to figure out if I want to activate these take profit trader accounts. I'm also trying to decide if I want to get 5 more Apex accounts to have a max of 20. Yeah, London was slow today. I mean, I am so happy. I'm so happy I got out of that trade right there. And also, you guys won't believe it. I had a dream. I had a dream last night that I lost all this money. Kept trading and lost it. So this morning when I woke up, dude, I was so scared. I was so nervous and checked my phone just to make sure that I didn't draw it. Blow them. I checked my phone. Look at it. Is it gonna go up here, man? Is it gonna go up here? That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy, dude. I kind of wish I would have got back in. What if I got back in right there? That'd been sick. That would have been sick, sick, sick. I'm reading this email about this appreciated Eric. Let me see here. Trying to figure out which ones these are. Yo, 1 hour loops. Thanks for the sub. Trying to figure out which accounts here are good to go live. I need to do this later. Get enough time. I'll just do it later. Look at this. It's pumping. It's pumping. Futures trader. Yeah, I copy traded this. No, this was Top Step X, which is even better because, well, it's about the same. But TPT takes 20% profit split, and TPT, the most you can make on an account is 10,000. Here it goes, though. Is it gonna go all the way up there? Let's see if it gets a little retracement. Eric, no, today was my first day. Today was my first day, and yeah, Bowser, 15 accounts survived. 15 Apex accounts. So, that's good, at least, I guess. 15 Apex accounts. Ready to roll. Ah, here we go. Go to Pro. Boom, I got 3 credits. Use one of them. Bang. 1 credit right there. I'm going to use 1 credit right here. I'm activating these take profit trader accounts. I got 3 of them. Yes, sir, Bowser. Dude, I knew this thing was gonna go, dude. That's what was making me so mad, was I just didn't know where to find an entry. And then, buddy, I finally got in and I wrote it. I wrote it up. Let's go. Finally caught a good trade on Top Step. I was trying to get in 5 contracts. It would only let me get in 3. I guess there's a scaling plan or something. I was trying to get in like 5 contracts. Thing would only let me get in 3. All right. The take profit trader accounts are pending. They are pending. I can trade 5 now, Bowser. Well, I don't want to trade him now. I wanted to trade him last night. Look at how many times it bounced off of this 15-minute opening range, the top of it. Look at how many times it. Look at how many trades you could have got just taking the orb bounce here. This is the strategy I used to trade. It's how I got to my first payouts. Just a Trader says it's gonna reverse. Let's see here. What's up, VG boy? Good morning. I'm not gonna be on here too long today. It's Friday. I'm done trading too. I'm done trading. I may take one more on my Apex accounts. Oh, you were asking, is it gonna reverse? I actually like it to the upside here, all the way up till here. 21,520. Brandon Slevin. It's just because, I don't know, it stopped working for me for a while. And then I just stopped using it. But a lot of the days it does work. And Brandon Slevin, it makes me feel like in my head it seems too easy. Like, hey, this is too easy. They'll never let this thing, be profitable over time, but it works a lot of the times, I'll say that. It works a lot of the times. Red candles. No, I didn't hit TP, but I did close the trade at like the perfect time, and the counts were up big, so I'm happy. But if I hit the full TP up here, it would have been crazy. It would have been crazy. This was it up here. I'll make it a different color here. The daily looks like it wants to come down. Huh? I don't know. I was looking at the daily here. It looks like it just tapped into this gap right here and flipped. So I actually think it wants to keep going higher. Let's go, red candles. Let's go. Let me get some little music on here. Yes, sir. Halftime X. I did. I made it. I did. Last night I was up watching. I was up late, and I'm actually pretty tired today. Cause I was up all night watching that trade. I was up all night watching that trade. Boo, 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 boo. Let's see what's gonna happen. What's up, Coach Fred? I don't know if I should pass 5 more Apex accounts or not, just to be at 20. What's up, Ivan? What's going on? No halftime. I hate wealth charts. I tried it one time. It was awful. Tried it one time, it was awful. Dude, we got 109 people in here and 11 likes. What the heck? We got 11 likes for this trade that I was talking about all night last night. I was telling you guys on the Asian stream all night that I was looking for this trade. And we got it. And we can only get 11 likes? What the heck, man? It's freaky. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Freaky Friday over here. I mean, I stayed up half the night and now I'm up streaming. You know, I should have just called it a day and slept in. After making this much, you guys can't even hit the like button. Told you about this trade last night. I was telling you I was looking for the longs there, and I just kept getting in, and boom, it's going. It's still going. TTBs, he said it's broke boy Friday. Uh-oh. It's broke boy Friday. See, because it's getting this like roll-up thing here. We got this kind of roll-up thing going where it just rounds. You just get this kind of round-off effect. And it rounds right back up. So that's kind of what it is there. I'm thinking about buying 5 Apex accounts just to load it up here. And I could add them to the copy trader. And if I take a trade here today, I could just put them in the copy trader. I might do that. I might do that. Because they are 50% off. They are 90% off. Apex is 90% off. I just gotta get 5 of them here. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it while they're 90% off here. And because I just had a good day on Top Step. So just loading them up over here. Gotta get 3 more now. Just got 2 of them. I need 3 more. What's up, Mad Cow? I know, TTBZ, it's annoying. You gotta go through each one of these. It's annoying. It's annoying. Two more. Gotta get 2 more. Dang it, dude. If I didn't have those 5 last night on a 2-time multiplier, I'd still have them all. Well, NQ Trader 001. Every time I followed the rules on Apex, I've gotten paid out. The only times I haven't gotten paid out is when I know I broke the rules. But when I followed the rules, I got paid. It's weird. It's weird how that works. It's weird. They tell you these rules and then you break a couple and you get mad because you don't get paid. That's what all these people do. They tell you all the rules. And that's just the price that comes with getting to be able to trade 20 accounts. Don't trade them then. If you think there's too many bogus rules, then don't trade them. There's plenty of great firms out there, you know. There's plenty of great firms you can trade. You don't have to trade. Look at there. Mad Cow's getting paid. Mad Cow's getting paid. Man, price is moving slow here today, isn't it? Price is just moving slow. At the moment. Oh, but I tell you, when I got very confident about the trade last night when I saw it rejecting from this we had a 15-minute inversion right here, and I got very confident. This is why I re-entered right here. So it stopped me out below the wick right here. It stopped me out below this wick. And then it came down and tapped into this IFVG, and I re-entered right here. And as soon as I re-entered, it started pumping, dude. I was so happy. I was so happy I got back in. All right, let me set up this copy trader now. And then I can trade. You know, I think the reason I haven't been doing good with Apex lately is because I'm too worried about the trailing drawdown. You know, I think you just can't worry about the trailing drawdown and you'll be fine. If you just focus on your trades and not on the trailing drawdown, you'll be better off. You'll be better off. I'm gonna throw these dang take profit trader accounts in here too. Just because, why not? While I got them here, I'll just throw them in there. And now I gotta put the evals on a 10 times multiplier. There we go. There we go. Now we're ready. Wendy, this is Quantower's built-in trade copier and just a trader. Quantower's built-in trade copier is what I use. Man, dude, that trade last night felt so good, boys. You don't even know. Like it, I slept like a baby dreaming about this trade here. I slept like a baby. And look at that, it came right up and tapped my line I had there. What line is that even from? I don't even know where I drew that line or why I drew that line. Trying to see here. But it literally tapped that line. I don't know why I drew it. But I drew it there. Tapped my line right there and bounced right from it. Matthias, no, I don't, but you can. I don't copy trade my Project X, but I might. I might now that you can, but I haven't yet. His Royal Trade said it went to the line because you drew it. I was trying to figure out why I drew that line there. I really don't know. Like, I don't really know why I drew the line there. I'm trying to look at these time frames here. Trying to look at these time frames and I just can't really tell why I drew the line there. 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, dude, I don't know. I don't know here. Yeah, but like if you look here on the daily chart, price came down yesterday, tapped into this gap, bounced. Today did the same thing, tapped into this daily, it's a tiny daily gap, but there's a daily gap right here, tapped into there and bounced from it. But yeah. Now it looks like it's coming down a little bit. Coming down. Yeah, was it the shelf? I was trying to see like what shelf was that? Like, was it? I do see a lot of rejections there, but I don't see specifically why I drew it right there. Maybe it was right here on those wicks. I mean, on that shelf right here. But if we're looking at the shelf, we got one right here. Shelf right there that it could bounce off of. Right there, shelf. See if it does little bounce action in there. What's up, Rich? Just a trader. A 10 times multiplier means whatever I take on my lead account, it'll be a 10 times multiplier on the other accounts. So my target will be 60 ticks. No, 61. So I can pass. I would need 61. Let me make sure the trade copier's working. $61 ticks right there. Yep, it's working. It's working, boys. So it's tapping into this shelf here now. We are kind of trending up here. We got a nice trend line going up. Man, dude, that trade last night felt so good. I'm glad I didn't hold it though, because I would have been up all night. Even though it did finally just go higher, I would have been up all night, dude. So there it is, kind of bouncing off of this trend line and the shelf here. Bouncing off the trend line and the shelf. Yep. It's copy trading each account after the lead account. Yep. And then the accounts I put a 10 times multiplier on will take 10 times the amount of contracts. It's bouncing off of this shelf here. Look at this. This is the AMD model right here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. AMD model for your ICT traders right here. You got the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I kind of want to take a long here. But I'm not going to. Just because we just broke. I mean, I do think we keep going higher. I really do, really do. And there it's going higher. I would just have to get way up there. What's up, Trader Petty? Ivan said, I take this long. Well, let's see, Ivan. By the IFVG, you would already be at break even and stopped at break even there. So when it got up there, you would have moved your stop to break even and it would have just gotten taken out there. Yo, Super Tramped LTD, appreciate the sub. I do kind of like the long. Oh man, it just didn't tap me there. I literally had the tick down and it didn't move down. One tick. Literally. One tick below that wick. Didn't get it. Rich, set you a plan, man. Set you a 1 to 2 trade a day plan. Then you can't overtrade. Win or lose, take 1 to 2 trades a day. If you really just say, I'm going to take one trade, win or lose, I'm going to be done for the day. It's the best way to do it. I'm going to take one trade, and if it loses, hey, I'm done. That's my trade for the day. We got Cajun guy up in here. Let's see here if we can get a pump. Cajun guy and Phoenix, thanks for the subs. See if we can get this past some evals here. We need 61 ticks. I don't even know how much we can lose, like 40. Pass some evals. If it'll pump. I sound like Agent Smith from The Matrix. Who's that? I've never seen that. Hey man, this isn't peanuts here. This would be $300 on most of my accounts. And then it would be 3,000 on the evals. It's 61 ticks, dude. That's not really peanuts here. On one contract, that's pretty good. Dang it, dude. It don't want to go. It don't want to go. It don't want to go higher. Yep, about to come down. Dang it. These Apex accounts, man. Let's see. Oh. I can't believe those aren't blown yet. The evals. They should be almost blown. One more tick down and they would have been blown. They're going to get these stupid evals, dude. These stupid evals, it's about to break out of this trend line here. It's about to break under this trend line. And then it's probably going to dump down a little bit. Hopefully this trend line can hold us and pump it up. Hopefully this trend line can hold us and pump it up here. Please. Let's see the pump. Let's see the pump here. You always trade news to pass your evals? I trade them anytime. These are going to fail here, though. I might have to buy 5 more. Because we got equal lows right there. One tick below that and they're gone. The evals are. Just broke below this trend line here. I can't believe they're not gone yet. There they go. Eval's gone. I'm gonna have to try some more evals. Well, not all the evals got blown. Only 2 of them. Only 2 of the evals. Smokey Bear, check out this trade last night, bro. Banger trade right here last night. Killed it. Killed it. Smokey Bear on Top Step here. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Man, dude. Rich, you just gotta keep going. You just can't give up, man. I don't know how close you are. One day it'll just click and you'll be like, hey. Once you get your first payout, then you'll get your second, and it just kind of goes from there. Dang it, dang it, dang it. And then starting next week, dude, I'm gonna start keeping a spreadsheet. I used to keep spreadsheets of my trades every day. Like I'm gonna start keeping one again. I'm gonna start keeping a spreadsheet. I liked it. I liked it when I had a spreadsheet. Support and resistance, day off fun, support and resistance, trend line, stuff like that is what I trade. See, your stop loss is often your better entry. That's what they say, ain't it? Your stop loss is often your better entry. Seems to be the case here. Seems to be the case. Stop loss is often your better entry. Well, I failed 5 evals. I'm gonna try to pass the other 5 probably at work today. Probably at work. Quang, not really. I use fair value gaps. That's about it. I learned of the AMD model, which is basically a fake out. So the AMD, you got the accumulation, which is your range. You got your fake out, which is the manipulation. And then you got the distribution, which is the actual move. So, I mean, all ICT is just basically regular trading in different terms here. You got a range, you got a fake out, distribution. Devin's down 800 on his first funded. Oh no. Ah. Come on, keep pumping. Keep pumping. Keep on pumping here. Up $100 in these accounts now. Trying to see if it wants to keep on going. If it breaks this wick up here, I'm going to trail the stop. Hi. Yep, business. Oh man. Oh man. Look at this. I don't like this here. Kind of looks like it wants to keep going down now. Don't really like this. Don't really like this. Wish it would just go. Wish it would just go up. This is Quan Tower, Richard. I'm on Quan Tower. This is Quan Tower. Nah, come on. Some days the pre-market price action's good. Some days it's slow. Same, dude. I tried the micros. It's just not for me. I tried them. I mean, I want to trade them. I want to trade the micros. But, dude, it's just like I don't get the satisfaction that I do when I'm trading minis. I just don't get that satisfaction of hitting a banger with minis, you know? Yeah, pre-market's slow today. Sometimes it moves. Sometimes the pre-market will move. Only thing I don't like is we broke the top of this. We wicked it, and then we started coming down. That's one thing I don't like there. But, you know, I feel like the full target, at least short term, is here. So maybe we can keep going. Maybe we can keep going. Come on, pump it. Pump it up. Oh gosh, dude, don't want to go. It don't want to go. What prop firms are you guys trading with? What prop firms are you trading with? Let me know. Let me know what prop firms you are trading with. TTBZ says Top Step and My Funded Futures. Mad Cow's trading 2050Ks. Let's go. Bull Knox and Blue Sky. Never tried Blue Sky. Eyebrow, Top Step, and Tradeify. Bull Knox, Blue Sky, Limit Trade. TPT. Oh, dude. What a dump fest here. Come on, dude. Give us that 8 o'clock pump here. Give us that 8 o'clock pump. Candy Cane is trading with Top One. Let's go. Jose's 1 Express and 4 evals from Top Step. Goreen's with Top One Futures. This is just a chop fest here, dude. We're making higher highs and lower lows here. It's about to fake out to both sides here now. Faked out to the bottom, now about to fake out to the top. What a dumpster fire here. Rich, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure where to get that list. This is annoying here. Annoying. It's quite annoying. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, I'm tired. I was up late last night with that trade. Tired. Oh my goodness. Let's go, Devin. Devin made 600 back. Come on, dude. It's starting to dump here now. It's starting to dump. Let me make another bot here. I might even just throw some more evals on this. Oh, here we go. Here's the dump. Ah, you dirty dog. You dirty dog in queue. Here we go. Let's pump it. Let's pump it. Here we go. I was just about to enter some evals too. I was just about to enter some evals and I missed it. I was getting the copier set up. Can we get this pump to our target? I'm not asking for much here. I don't think I'm asking for much. Just right up here, little buddy. Let's draw out this little shelf though. That could show some problems. Could show some problems. Having trouble. As soon as I drag my trailing stop up there, it starts having some trouble. It's making that megaphone pattern. Higher highs, lower lows. One more little tick up. Come on. Come on. I'm not moving this stop thing as soon as it says, come on, dude. Dude. Get a tick over my stop. Why is it still invalid? Come on, baby. Give us that pump. Go, dude. Come on. Oh, gosh. Boom. Oh, hang on. Bang. Let's go. Woo. Yes, sir. Woo. Yes, sir. I was just about to enter the evals too, man. That would have been 5 past evals. That's the worst part. I was gonna enter right down here, dude, and then it just started going. What the heck, dude? My TPT accounts didn't enter? Oh, those are the... Okay, my pro one's entered here. I was about to say, dude. I had the filter on. Yeah, the pro ones are up. Oh, yeah. First trade on the TPT Pro accounts. We're up. Let's go. Make sure those are all closed out. Might try something else here. Man. I got some evals here I want to get past. I'm gonna wait till I get to work because this market just kind of ain't moving too fast. But yeah, I'm gonna get off here, guys. I'm gonna get off here. Made some money this morning. Hope you guys have a good day. Let me know how you do in the Discord. And yeah, good Friday for me. Only bad part was I lost 5 of those Apex accounts, but we'll get them back. And this Top Step trade made up for everything. So I'm not too mad. Let's go. All right, guys. I'll see you. Have a good one. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to